Yes, yes. It is below 6.5 only because it is compared to 49. 40 is near to 36.
36.
Okay. So how to do this type of questions? Even all the options are below 65, 6.5 only. Then, okay.
So then we have to
Yeah. What is that formula to find this non-perfect square roots? Under root of n plus or minus n equal to root n plus or minus
root
n by 2 root n.
2 root
N by 2 root n, where capital N equal to nearby perfect square number, and this small n equal to extra or less value. So this is the formula we have to use when we are finding non-perfect square roots.
So
Now
can
see,
you explain what's
yes, we'll apply this. We'll apply this on one example. Okay, let me take that 40 only, under root of 40. 40 nearby 36 or nearby 49?
So 36.
It is better to take 36. Okay,
36.
then we can represent 40 like 36 plus 4, right? Yes
So
or no?
difference is 4.
Yes, sir.
36 plus 4. So
Yes,
here,
sir.
what is 36?
Square of
Here
6.
is square.
Square
N.
of
In our formula, what is 36 here? Capital N. What is 4?
So should
small.
the square be below the number?
No, it is nearby, nearest.
Okay.
Okay, 40 is nearest to 36. That's why we are taking 36. Okay. Capital N is 36. Small n is 4. Simply apply this formula. Root 36. If it is plus, we use plus. If it is minus, we use minus. Okay. Plus n by small n by. Small n is how much here?
4.
4 upon 2 root 36.
2 root 36.
Yeah. So if you simplify, this is 6 plus 4 by 2 into
4 by
6. It is nothing but 6 plus 1 by 3 only, no?
Yes,
sir.
6 plus 1 by 3, because in the numerator 2 2's are there. In the denominator also 2 2's are there. Along with the 2 2's, 3 is also there. Yes or no? 4 by 2 into 6. This 6 is also consists of 2 into 3. This 2 and this 2 will cancel with 4 one time. Overall, it is 1 by 3. 1 by 3 is nothing but 0.33, no? Yes or no? 0.3333, so on.
yes, sir.
So overall, our answer will be 6.333, so on. Okay, this is the approach we should find to find the non-perfect square roots. So we are using non-perfect square. We are finding non-perfect squares by the use of perfect squares only.
Yes, sir.
Yes or no? So that means, suppose if some number is given like under root of 125. So tell me, which is better to take?
So what if the number is greater than the
Greater is
number we
also
should
okay, less
find?
is also okay. Okay. Suppose if it is 220 is okay.
Yeah, these two.
Okay, let me take 220. Under root 220.
So it's near to 225.
Yes. Now represent this 220 in the form of n plus n, capital N plus small n, means perfect square plus extra number square, extra or less. 225. How much? Minus 5.
5.
So apply our formula. Root 225. If it is minus, we use minus only. 5 by
Online process.
2 root of.
So why did we use -5? Why not +5?
Okay, this one.
No, so why not +5?
See this one. If it is plus, we use plus. If it is minus, we use minus.
Okay.
Okay, we have represented 220 like 225 minus 5, na?
Okay.
Because it is minus, we use minus only. Earlier question it is? In earlier question it is 36 plus 4. That's why we used plus 4.
Okay.
Manasvi, clear? Okay. Now, can simplify and tell the answer. Root 15. Sorry. Root 225 is nothing but 15 only, no? 15 minus 5 by 2 into 15. So 5 one time, 5 3 times. 15 minus 1 by 6. 15 minus 1 by 6 is nothing but 14. 5 by 6. Either we can leave this as it is, or we can also represent it in terms of fraction. So 14.50 means 8. Again 2 is the remainder. 2 means 3 times. Again 2 is the remainder, 3, and so on. So 14.8333, so on. Understood?
Sir, could you tell how to convert the answer into 14.83?
So that thing we are going to start today only. Divisions.
Yes.
Okay, I have kept of that 14 as it is only. I have converted that 5 by 6 in terms of fraction. 5 by 6. Okay. If I write a 0 point, it will be 50. 6 goes how many times here?
Sir,
So
8 times, no?
yes.
6 is the 40, 2 is the remainder. Then again 0, 20. 3 times 18. Again 2 is the remainder. Again 3, and so on. It will not, it is a never ending fraction. Okay. Understood? Non-perfect square roots clear or not?
Yes.
So can I ask some questions, or shall we go to the another divisions? Can I ask some questions? Are you there?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, let me ask these questions. Advika. Advika, are you there? Yes. Anyone tell the answer for this?
So we'll convert it to 9 by 10.
no, so 0.3.
0.3. Is it the correct answer?
No, sir.
Then tell the answer for this, Ashutosh.
So 0.3 into 0.3 is 0.009.
Sorry.
I mean 09.
Ashutosh, what is the answer for second?
Sir, 0.03.
No. Okay, 0.3 into 0.3 is how much? Tell me.
Sir,
Ashutosh.
0.9.
3 3s are
9.
decimal after
3.
2
0.
digits.
Yeah.
Decimal after 2 digits from right side. So that means it should be your answer.
Yes.
Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Don't confuse. 3 by 10 into 3 by 10, right? 3
Yes.
3s are 9. By 10 10s are 100. It is nothing but, even this thing also we are going to see today only, 0.09.
So what is the answer for the first one?
Yeah. First one is, just a second, please. Whose mic is not working? Who is this? Vinisha? No. Haha, Advika, your mic is not working. Try to rejoin, Advika. Okay, second question is a perfect square root. That's why we can say perfect root value. But first question, it is not a perfect square. What is the nearest perfect square? 0.9 nearest perfect square is how much? Anyone?
So 1.
Yes, very good. 1. So now it is better to represent this number like a 1 minus 0.1. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
1 minus 0.1. Now apply our formula. Root 1 minus 0.1 by 2 root 1. Correct?
Yes.
So 1 minus root 1 is nothing but 1 only. 1
We
minus
can take 1 by 20.
0.1 by 2. Yeah, it is nothing but 1 by 20 or 0.05, right?
Yes, sir.
So 1 minus 0.05 is how much? 9
So
point?
0.95.
Sorry. Yes. 0.95. That's the answer. Okay, this is the square root, approximate square root of 0.9. Every non-perfect square root will give approximate square root only. Every perfect square will give exact value. Clear? All of you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, Jitendra.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, tell the answer for this.
Sir, we can write as 16,
Tell me above and below perfect square numbers.
16 and 25.
Which is nearest?
25.
Okay, consider 25. So here much difference is not there. That's why you can take a 25 or sorry, actually 16 is nearest, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, you can, but the gap is not between 4. If you consider 16, it is 4 difference. If you consider 25, it is 5 difference. So here the numbers are very closer to each other. That's why you will get the same answer in both the cases. You may use 16 or you may use 25, but you feel it is 25, right?
Hmm.
You feel 25 easy because in the denominator 2 into 5, it will give you 10. Okay, proceed.
Sir, we can write as
How to write 20?
Sir, we can write as 25 minus 5.
25 minus 5. Okay.
Root 25 minus 5 by 2 into root 25.
Okay.
Which is 5 minus 5 by 10.
2 into 5. Okay. Now
We'll cancel 5 and 5, sir. And 5 minus 1 by 2 is 4.5, sir.
yeah, final answer is 4.5. Good. Okay. Then Shrestha,
Yes, sir.
try this question.
Okay, sir.
Hmm.
Uh,
11 square. Yes, sir. So
Tell me
11
above and below perfect squares.
Sir, it is between 11 square and 12 square, sir.
Yes, 11 square is 121 and 12 square is?
12 square is 144.
So it is nearest to which number?
Sir, it is nearest to 11 square, which is 121.
Okay, now how to represent 125?
Sir, 125 minus 121.
No.
So 1 minute.
A square number plus or minus something.
Square number plus 1 minute. Sir, plus or minus.
What is the square number? Nearest to square number is?
So 121.
121.
Plus
Then
4.
plus 4.
Okay, shit.
Okay.
This, yes, sir.
Yeah. Now apply our formula. Vinisha, any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay.
Sir, so it is 11
11
plus
plus
it is 4 by
4 by
4 by 4 into 121 square root.
Banshik, I'll ask one question to you. Just complete it.
Then
2
it
root
is
n.
2 root 121.
That is nothing but
2 into 11.
Complete it.
After that, it is 11 plus 4 by 22.
Why to make it bigger? It is better to cancel, no? When
Yes.
they are small. So 2 by
2
11.
by 11.
So simply we can write as a mixed fraction like 11 whole 2 by 11. It is okay. But if the options are in fractions, you should convert it into fractions. So we'll see how to convert this fraction into decimal fraction soon. Okay, Banshika, your question.
Yes, sir.
Okay, let me take under root 95.
95. So,
Yes.
1 second.
Tell me above and below perfect squares.
Perfect square for 95 would be not 90.
No. 95 above and 95 below perfect squares are? List out the square numbers from 1.
1 square 1.
Okay.
2 square is 4. 3 square 9. And
Fast.
3 square 9. 4 square 16. 5 square 25. 6 square 36. 7 square 49. 8 square 64. 9 square 81. 10 square 100.
Now it is between.
It's between 9 and 5.
But you told the answer in the previous case, Shrestha's case. But you're not responding and not giving correct answer in your case. So 95 is between 81 and 100. 81 is nothing but 9 square. 100 is nothing but 10 square. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Now tell me 95 is near to which number? 81 or 100?
100.
So it is better to take 100. Now represent this 95 in the form of 100 plus or minus something.
10. It would be 100 square root minus 5.
Okay. Now apply our formula.
So it would be like 100 square root minus 5 square root,
Okay,
which
can I
would
take
be
10 directly? Root 100 is nothing
yes,
but 10.
sir. Yes, sir.
Minus
Minus 5 by 2 root 2 into 10.
2 into 10. Okay. Simplify.
10 minus 5 by 20, which would, if you simplify it, you would get 1 by 10.
1 by 10. No.
Yes, sir. 5 by 20.
5 goes 1 time here. 5 goes 2 times here. How much it is?
1 by 4.
1 by 4 is nothing but 0.25.
Yes,
Yes
sir.
or no? So 10 minus 0.25 is how much?
10 minus 0.25. Right, 0.25 is nothing but 0.2, right?
0.25.
Yeah, that's 0.2.
0.25 only. 0.25 is nothing but 0.25 only. Okay, 1 by 4, if you represent in terms of decimal fraction, it will be 0.25.
9.8. Oh, 0.
Not 0.2, 0.25. Okay, 9.75.
Yes, sir, 9.75.
That's the answer. Okay. Okay, then we'll start new operation. What is that?
Division.
Yes.
Division.
So far we have completed additions, subtractions, multiplications, and squares, square roots. Okay, next, today we are going to start divisions. After divisions, we'll also see cubes and cube roots as well. Okay. Ready? Shall we?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Like in multiplications, multiplications also we have seen all special types of multiplications firstly, and then general multiplications. Even in divisions also we'll see firstly special divisions, and then we'll start general divisions. Okay, special division techniques and then general division techniques. Okay, before going to special even, so this is the basic for divisions. What is the basic? Half. Half is nothing but dividing by 2. So even in multiplications, while we are learning multiplications also, we learned double or multiplication by 2. Have you remembered?
Yes, sir.
Yes, double or multiplication by 2. Yes, here it is a division. Sorry, half or division by 2. See how to double a number. Suppose if I take in a number like 12 into 2, instead of multiplying by 2, we can also add the same number, right?
Yes.
So using additions, we solved multiplications in the early multiplication.
Using subtraction.
Sir, but it's saying 2 minus 1.
Sorry.
Sir, in the heading it's written 2 minus 1.
No. This is the first exercise of division by 2. Okay, we'll see the first exercise of division by 2 and then half or dividing by 2 dash 2. That is not minus dash 1.
Okay.
Okay, tell me 10 by 2 is how much? Half of 10 is?
5.
5.
5. Half of 100 is?
5.
50.
50. Half of 20?
10.
10.
10. Half of 50?
25.
25.
25. So these numbers are seems easier because
They are ending
Because
at
they are
zero.
even.
It's perfectly
Sir,
divisible.
end
yeah,
with
they
0.
are ending at least with 10. Minimum 10. 2 zeros, 3 zeros also there. Minimum 10. And one more thing, somebody said they are even numbers. Yes, that is also correct. Because every even number is divisible by 2. Correct? Every
sir.
even number is divisible by 2. That's why these numbers are like easy. We felt these numbers like easy. Firstly, we'll solve those numbers only, and later we'll see the other numbers also. Okay. Tell the answers one by one. We'll start with Yashwant. Select your question and tell the answer. Find the half.
Okay, E. I mean C.
Half of 40. Directly you can say
20, sir, 20.
20. And Vinisha?
F, sir.
Half of 90. Sorry?
1 second, sir. 45.
Yeah. Even if you see this type of numbers, see, this is an odd multiple of 10. That's why you have taken some extra time, right? Like in the previous case, it is even multiple of 10. Even number into 10. But 90 is odd number into 10. In this case, see, what is that even number? 4 into 10. In this case, what is that odd? Sorry, odd number into 10. What is that odd? 9 into 10. So that means we are doing half of this one, that is 2, and simply writing a 0 beside it. But here, half of 9 is not a perfect number, correct? That is why we can also consider this 90 as 80 plus 10. Correct? 80 plus 10.
Yes, sir.
Half of 80,
40.
half of
And
10,
half of 10 is 5. And
5.
40
Together,
plus 5 is 45.
40 plus 5. And we have seen this type of techniques in additions.
So we can
Split and
also
add.
use the same thing for subtraction.
Yes, sir. We can also use the same thing for subtractions, like 100 minus 10. 90 we can also represent like 100 minus 10. Half of 100 is 50. Half of 10 is 5. Minus will also give the same 45. Okay, whenever you have come across odd numbers and you are doing half, and if you cannot say the answer directly, you can use this split and add method or split and subtraction method. Okay, then whose turn it is? Vinisha completed, right?
Yes,
Srilakshmi,
sir.
select your
Yes,
question.
sir. Sir, any question? Okay.
Any question? Your
Yes,
wish.
sir. Sir, D, 14.
Okay, proceed.
It's 7 only.
7 only. So 10 plus 4, 5 plus 2, 7. And Sai Krishna,
Yes, sir.
Sir,
which
I'm
question?
there.
Shrestha. Okay, sorry. Shrestha,
Yes, sir.
which
Sir,
one?
A, sir.
E, proceed.
Sir, A.
A, I didn't expect A. A and B, just leave A and B.
Okay, sir. E, it is 25.
25. So 40 plus 10, 20 plus 5. Sai Krishna,
Yes, sir.
select your question.
Sir, J bit.
Here also you have to halve these numbers. J, proceed.
Sir, 49.
Yes, how?
Sir, 98 can be 100 minus 2. 100 is 100 divided by 2 is 50.
50.
50 minus 1.
2 half is 1. So that's why 49.
49.
50 minus 1 is 49. Correct. Manasvi, select one.
Yes, sir.
Which one?
Sub B.
B, okay.
14, sir.
How? 30 minus 2
Yes.
or 20 plus 8? Anything is okay. 14, correct. And Jitendra.
Yes, sir.
And one more thing, if they are even digits, see,
So we
if
can
all are
do 2 by 2 divided by 2 and 8 divided by 2.
yeah, that is what I'm going to tell. So if all are even digits only, like 4, 2, 8, 6 divided by 2, we can also do digit by digit also. 4 by 2 is 2, and 2 by 2 is 1, 8 by 2 is 4, and 6 by 2 is 3. That's the answer. So if all are even digits, you can do digit by digit also for all these. No, not for this one. For 30, 36 is also not valid. So 28, 2 half, 8 half, 86, 8 half, 6 half, 62, 6 half, 2 half. But for the remaining numbers, if there are any odd numbers, then we have to split and tell, or if you know them directly, you can tell. And later we will see how to directly cancel these numbers also. After this exercise, this 1 or 2 exercise, directly we'll see how to divide with any single digit directly. Okay, whose turn? Manasvi completed. Jitendra completed.
No, sir.
Which question?
G, sir.
C. Okay.
G, sir.
G56. Okay.
Sir, we can write it as 60 minus 4.
Yeah. So here, instead of writing 50 plus 6, it is better to write 60 minus 4. Correct? Why?
Sir, because it is easy.
Because if you write 50 plus 6, it is again an odd multiple of 10. Okay, proceed.
60 minus 4 becomes 30 minus 2, sir, which is 28.
28. Good. Banshika,
Yes, sir.
which question you want to do?
36.
36. Yeah, question A.
A.
Hmm.
So first, it would be 30 plus 6.
Instead of 30 plus 6, it is better to take 30 plus 6 is also okay, or 40 minus 4 is also okay, na? But it is an odd multiple of 10. Compared to this one, this will be fast,
Okay.
somewhat.
So 40 minus 4, and half of 40 is 20, and half of 4 is 2. So
Okay.
20 minus 2, which would be 16.
Do it
Wait, no,
again.
sorry, 18.
18. Okay. And Ashutosh.
So C52. C2 we
Okay.
can take as 60 minus 8,
Okay.
which equals to 30 minus 4,
Okay.
so which equals to 26.
26. Correct. Whose turn next? Ashutosh completed, right? Advika, tell the answer for EBIT in the chat. E34 is 17. Okay. Next, again, I'm starting with Ashutosh. Select one and tell the answer.
Sir, so 164.
Here also the same thing, half. 164. Okay, proceed.
Which it can be 100 plus 100 plus 60 plus 4.
Yeah, okay. But you can also take 160 and 4 also. If you know it, okay, directly. Otherwise, it is okay. Or
Yes, sir.
else, if you consider 16 is an even number and 4 is an even number, simply half of 16 and half of 4.
That's 82.
82. By taking 16 and 4, 16 half and 4 half.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
then Advika, select one and tell the answer for that. Banshika, what is your question?
E.
E, okay,
So,
proceed.
like the number is 94, and then we have to find the half of each of the
4.
numbers.
Just a second. 410 is for what?
So it would be 90 plus 4.
820. Okay, this is completed. 410. 90 plus 4, correct.
Yes, sir. So
90 plus 4 is better or 100 minus 6 is better?
100 minus 6.
You only have to select that. Okay, 100 minus 6. Tell me.
So the half of 100 would be 50,
Okay,
and the half of 6 is 3.
okay.
So 50 minus 3, which is 47.
47. Okay, correct. Then Jitendra,
C, sir.
C. Okay,
So, 2 divided by 2 is 1, sir.
okay.
16 by 2 is 8, sir. We can write it as 0, 8.
Very good, correct. So
Sir, it's wrong,
actually,
sir.
yeah. He said 08 only, but I wrote it is 8. Okay, 2 divided by 2 is 1, but 16 by 2, it is not simply 0, sorry, simply 8, it is 08. It should be 08. Or else 200 half is 100, 16 half is 8. So 108. That is also okay. Good. And Manasvi,
Yes, sir.
which question?
So G.
G. Okay, 234.
So 200 plus 34 will get
Okay,
100 plus 17.
100 plus 17. Correct.
This is 117.
17. And Sai Krishna,
Sir, yes, sir. H bit.
H bit, proceed.
Sir, 400 plus 16.
Okay,
So 400 by 2 is 200. 200 plus 8. 208.
208. Correct. Sri Lakshya, select yours.
Sir, D.
D. Okay,
So it is 100 plus 50 plus 2
okay.
and 50 plus 25 plus 1,
50 plus 25 plus 1. Okay.
which is 75.
50 plus 25 is how much?
Oh yeah, 75.
Sorry, 70?
Sir, it's 76.
50 plus 25 is 75 plus 1.
76.
Yes. And who's done? Vinisha.
Sir, K.
K bit, proceed.
400 plus 56,
456. Okay.
which is 200 plus 28,
228.
which is 228.
228. Correct. And who left? Yashwant left and Shrestha also left. Okay, so tomorrow we'll see division by 4, division by 8, division by 16, and so on. This is one category. And after that, we will see,
Multiples of 4.
yes, multiples of 2 actually, or powers of 2, we can say. Okay. After that, we will see division by 5, division by 25, division by 50, division by 125, division by 250, division by 500, these numbers also. Have you remembered all these numbers are available in multiplications also, in special multiplications?
Yes, sir.
You just revise multiplication by 5, 25, 50, 125, 250 and 500 by tomorrow, so that it is very easy to understand when I am explaining about divisions, okay, for these numbers. And as well as we will see decimal movements also. Decimal movements. Okay. After covering these, later division by 11s. After that, division by 9s.
Sir,
9 or 9
digit?
series. Base divisions also there. And it means base method is also there for divisions. What, Manasvi?
Sir, dividing by 2 digit.
Divide, yeah, after completion of all these special types, and general will, when it comes to general, division by 1-digit number, then division by 2-digit number, then division by 3-digit number also.
Okay, sir.
Okay, we'll meet tomorrow.
Bye,
Thank
sir.
you. Good night.
Bye.
Bye.
Yes, sir. Bye, sir. Good night.
Bye. Good night.
Bye, sir.
Bye.